Boom bang, we're there in Vegas and we see what go on here. I try out one of Keith Lee's recommendations. 303 in the cut. So then we have some nice hot dog thing I go on. So I'm gonna try and see what I go on if it tastes good, isn't it? So we have here, the I think they call it the dirty dog. Got the little Philly meat on there with the hot dog. And then you have the dirty fries, I guess. Seasoned fries with some sauce. Definitely look like them skimp on the meat still from when I say from the Keith Lee thing, but you don't know. If you ain't a blogger, you ain't getting the hookup apparently. So let me go ahead and taste this and see what it tastes like. Our beef hot dog, Philly meat on the side. It tastes good. Not bad. That's not bad. Let's see what the fries look like. Put a bunch of sauce on this thing here. I don't know what kind of sauce this is, let me see. Yep. Okay. It's like a type of fry sauce. Utah people know me at talk about. But yeah, I'm not really a huge fan of crinkly fries, but for this occasion it'll work, isn't it? My hot dog cost like $14.50 plus tax. The fries was like $6 and change. Is it worth $15? I mean, you can make your own determination. This is Vegas. Everything is expensive over here, you know? Anyway, definitely is worth a try. You guys let me know what you think. Like, share, and subscribe. One tickle baby signing out. Bless.